Welcome to John Stream Tech. Now, in our previous video, we show you guys how to start up creating your school website with Blogger platform. Now, it's important you know some things about the Blogger platform, which we've discussed, in our previous video. We discussed it very clearly in our previous video, and it's important you note that very well. It's important to know that very well. What else are we going to do? Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to really do a good design. And this design we did here, it's not really looking fancy. So what are you going to do? How are you going to go about it? I will show you from A to Z how to do it. It's very easy. So just what we have to do is first let's go to Google. Let's go to google.com. So when Google opens, we'll do some search. Do some search. School forum Blogger templates free. Education blog. Education blog. Now, as we're voting this to this place, we will look for a well designed template. Now we are going to download this template, then upload it to our school website. Let's check out this one. In this particular case, you will have to do trial and error. What I mean is, we are not really certain on how it is going to look, because sometimes the demo doesn't really look that fine when you upload. You have to also do some work. And this template there are free versions and there are paid versions of it. So I'm looking for something that can allow people to log in. To the website. This one doesn't have any login. I can't find any login listing here. Let me check the other ones. I don't think any of them have any login listing, but we can create the login page using a CSS and HTML, which I'm going to show you how to do. To do this, you must have idea about how to program. At least this you must know HTML, you must know JavaScript, you must know CSS to beautify everything. But this one is okay. It's okay though. Let's download it and see. They're asking for email address. Okay, let me get email address from you. From you. Let me get email address from you. since I don't want to use my own email address for this. I don't want them to be sending me email, the newsletter, but I just want to download the thing and I'm good. Okay. Download. Okay. They said they sent the download link. The download link to me. I'm not seeing anything. I don't know if really this thing was sent to me. I've not seen anything. Okay, city. This should be it. Okay, let me go and unzip it. Let me go and unzip it, then I will now upload it. Okay, so here it is. We'll extract it here. So this is the main file. So let's go back to this is the main file. So we don't need this thing anymore. We'll close it. So we'll come back here. Come back to our Blogger dashboard. Then we'll go to theme. We'll go to theme. We'll go to theme. Then we'll go to restore. Go to restore. We click on. Then we'll go to where we extracted our file. We'll now click on open for it to restore the theme. Okay, restore theme. Good. So the next thing we'll have to do is we'll go and check how our blog is looking. Our school website is looking. Okay, this is how it's looking right now. This is how it's looking right now. As you can see, as I told you guys, it will not really appear as you've seen it in the demo. It will really appear as you have seen it in the demo. Just look at these things. Look at this thing. Look at this. Have you seen it? You've seen this. You've seen this. This thing here. You've seen this thing here. That's not how it's appearing right here. So we need to do a lot of customization for us to get it. But we can still try another one. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. So, let's try this and see. We still need our email. Did our email. For choosing, okay, we still have the same email. Submit. It's been sent to our email. Okay, we have one email here. Let's download. Okay. This is the old email. This is the new one. You just sent now. So let's download it. Let's download it. Okay. It's done downloading. Now we'll open it in the folder. So let's delete this one because you don't no more need it. We want something new. Extract here. Okay. Then we'll go back. The same thing, restore. Or restore, click on upload. Then we'll go here and choose this commute. And it will be restored. Okay, restored. Now let's see, let's check. Let's check how our site is looking now. The same thing. So I've told you guys. But I think you will have to manage this one. You have to manage it. So now this is how our site is looking. Now if you check, you can see this welcome to international, our listing, our school name, and this is the post we made. This is the post we made previously. If you have been following the series of this tutorial, this is the post we made, and so that's how it is. That's how it is. But you can still check for other this thing. For other templates. Since this one is not really good. Because we don't want to do much of design. We just want to install and start using. We don't want to do much of design. We want to install and start using this thing. Okay, let's log in. Let's log in. Okay, let's check this one. If you want to really make it out in this you really need to understand how to use Google search to get what you need. It's important to understand that how to use Google to get what you need, because most of the time Google is what we'll be using to get information as you need. So you want to learn new things. we want to learn new things. So I think I'm having some slow internet. Having some slow internet. I'm having some slow internet this morning. Let me refresh this thing. Let me refresh this thing. So why I'm showing you guys this thing is because we have to know, we have to really know, understand how some of these things can function. But so if you can't really understand them, that means we have a big problem, or a big problem which we're trying as much as possible to solve. These ones are not option. They're not really looking fine as what we want. They're not really looking fine as what we want. So we can't use this. So what we have to close this. Then let's check out these ones. These ones are okay too. Yeah, okay. Okay, this one have login features. Let's check these ones out. Let's check them out. I'm not sure these ones are free. Can't download it. I think it's paid. And don't back up. It's paid. It's paid. I think it's paid. So we want something. We want for a startup. We don't want to be paying for anything for a startup. We want to get things for free. Then as time goes on, we can now upgrade. Our school website. Let's check the download template. So I told you this one is paid. You say $59. We don't want to pay for anything for now. We use our email. The email we were given. We use the email we were given. Okay. Download. It's downloading. Then once downloaded, you can now proceed. So here we'll delete this. We don't need it. Come here and extract our file. Once extracted, here our listing. Once extracted, you go back and upload it. Click on restore upload here. The restore team. Let's view our site and see how it's looking. Okay, this one is better. It has login features as you wanted, though it has the login features as you wanted. But let's see if it's working. If it's not working, we'll have to do some CSS work. Okay, that's it for this video. In our next video, we'll now proceed in doing the CSS work. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.